Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So basically this step is crucial if you wish to download the app from other app than the, for example, Google Play Store. So for example from the browser. Let me show you how to allow your device to do that. First of all, we have to go to the settings. Right here, let's find the apps. It should be almost at the very top of the list. And here, scroll down to find Special App Access. Here, we have to scroll down and find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on, for example, Chrome. Let's pretend I wish to download the app from my browser. So just tap on it and tap on the switcher next to it. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something, but really be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Basically, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and then tap on the switcher again. And the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.